Welcome back to Hustle Harder PH. This is May, and in this video, I'll show you how to get paid up to $100 for less than a minute of work using this free platform that we've never discussed before. You can repeat the process as many times as you want. As a result, I'll now take you through the entire procedure step by step. So, if you want to make this work, pay close attention to all of the steps in this video and watch it all the way through. Also, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. As a result, I will notify you whenever I come across a new and innovative way to make money online. Also, don't forget that at the end of this video, I have a special bonus for you, so make sure to stick around and watch all the way to the end. Let's get this party started. So, today, I'd like to introduce you to a brand new platform. It's an online marketplace where users can sell their designs for hundreds of dollars. They're usually worth around $100, but some are worth much more, such as this one, which is worth $500, this one, $1,000, $800, and so on. People are clearly making a lot of money on here by selling their designs or logos. So, in this video, I'll show you payment proof of how, using a completely free online tool, I'm able to create simple designs in under a minute. So there's no need for prior experience, photo design skills, or complicated software. And you can do it all without spending any money because it's all free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. So, BrandCrowd is the platform where people can sell their designs and earn hundreds of dollars in pure passive income every single day. I'll just include a link in the video description. Here's how it works in practice. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to make money on this platform. To join, you must first submit an application. Second, simply send your logos for evaluation. Finally, you will be compensated for each logo that is approved. As a result, you'll simply leave your design here. BrandCrowd will sell it for you if you don't want to do it yourself. As a result, you can generate passive income. In other words, BrandCrowd offers you a way to earn money while you sleep. The best part is that everything is completely free. So, all of these people simply list their designs for sale here, uploading them and setting a price. Let's say this guy is selling his design for $500 and intends to leave it there. BrandCrowd will promote it for him, as well as all of the other designs. Business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone else in need of a logo or brand design, on the other hand, will come here, look through all of the designs, pick the best one, and then purchase it. Your designs can be sold for as little as $100. Although you can sell it for more than $100, I strongly advise you to set the price at $100 to get the most sales and the fastest sales. The best part is that you don't have to actively participate. All you have to do is upload as many designs as you can. As a result, you'll have a better chance of earning more passive income. As a result, you can earn money while you sleep, hang out with friends, or go on vacation. Whatever you're doing, each time someone buys one of your designs from BrandCrowd, you'll be earning passive income. These designs are literally worth hundreds of dollars, $500, $1,000, $800, and so on, as you can see here. Now, before I show you how to sell and create these designs in under a minute, and before I show you exactly how to do it with payment proof, I'd like to show you how to get started with selling these designs. As a result, you'll go to BrandCrowd, which I've included a link to in the video description below. And that will take you to this page, where they will explain how BrandCrowd actually works in greater detail. You can also check out their frequently asked questions for more information on how the selling process works. After you've finished reading this, simply click Join Now to sign up for a free account. After you've signed up, you'll need to go to the platform where those logos will be created for you for free. Canva.com is the name of the platform. With BrandCrowd.com, Canva will assist us in making hundreds of dollars. Now that you've arrived at Canva.com, you'll need to register by clicking the Sign Up button up top. And keep in mind that they do have some pricing plans, but you don't have to pay anything. You can simply use their free account and still make money with this strategy because it will allow you to generate logos for free. The registration process should take no more than 60 seconds. And once you've signed up, I want you to go to this page and click on Logo, which will take you to a page with a variety of logo templates to choose from. As you can see, the majority of these designs are very similar to those available on brandcrowd.com. When you compare these designs on BrandCrowd, which sell for hundreds of dollars, to the designs on Canva, I have to say that these look a lot better. The question now is how to create these logo designs in the first place. That's all there is to it. To begin, you must first find a perfect template that you like. For example, if I want to use this one, all I have to do is click on it. The best part is that it can be completely customized. I can now change almost everything, customize everything, and experiment with different designs. And that's exactly what I advise you to do, because that's how you'll learn the most effectively. So, let's say my business name is Hustle Harder PH, and I want to change the icon. I can even alter the color scheme. I can literally change anything if I want to. If I need to add more elements, I can do so on the left-hand side. I have the ability to select all of these various elements. I can also personalize them. I have the ability to change colors. I have the ability to change my appearance, size, and so on. It's very simple and straightforward. If I want to add this one, for example, I'll simply click on it, and it will be loaded here on the page. I can also personalize the colors by changing them right here. You now understand how Canva works and how easy it is to create designs with it. Before I proceed, I'd appreciate it if you will like this video, which I put a lot of time and effort into, and subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on. And if this video receives 2,000 likes, I'll release a brand new video the following week showing you how to make even more money online by doing simple tasks like this, from the comfort of your own home. Now, as promised, I'll show you the bonus, which is a real-life example of how you can make $100 in under a minute of work. I'll demonstrate how to do it. And this design will be used as an example. It's a straightforward one. It's a dog icon with the words logo text here and a slogan here written on it. However, if someone clicks the Buy Now button right now, they will earn $100. As a result, I'll demonstrate how you can do the same. Now we'll start the counter so that I can show you exactly how long it'll take you to create this design and sell it for $100. It's also something you can do over and over again. So start the counter right now. So I'll just search dog on the left-hand side, then I'll select this template because it looks very similar to that design. I'll change this to logo text here, and I won't change the color because it's already brown. Also, I'm going to change this to a slogan. I'm going to increase the font size. I'll also change the background to a beige color to match the overall theme. And, while I can make this smaller if I want to, it looks great as is. And now I can simply download it to my computer by clicking on the download button up top. That is all there is to it. That's literally a fraction of a minute. And now I might be able to sell it for $100. This one is selling for $100, as you can see. So, you just witnessed firsthand how I can create this type of design in under a minute. And that's just to give you an idea of how powerful this is. You can make as many designs as you want, list them for sale, and earn money passively. And with brandcrowd.com, you can basically repeat the same 1-minute process over and over again to earn money. It's obviously not going to make you wealthy, and it's not a long-term online business, but it's a great side hustle. And you just saw that it takes less than a minute to earn $100 or even more. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos if you like this type of content, and if you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Please leave any additional questions in the comments section below. We hope to see you in the next video.